Here it is again, bobbing and weaving in the sky. Not sure what it's up to. A little bit higher this time, seems like. Now my eyes are bad. But seems like I can faintly detect a blinking light on the left side. I actually saw this in the sky coming home, and when I saw it, I thought, I wonder, and sure enough, that's what it is. It's still moving very subtly. Just bobbing and weaving, but so slightly you can't really tell, especially not with this camera thing I've got. If it saw me the last time, which I believe it did, and ducked down behind the trees, it probably won't take long to notice me this time. So, in addition to this being strange simply because it's in the exact same direction as the first time I saw it, it's also strange that it, I don't know, just keeps happening. Yeah, it's definitely just bobbing and weaving so subtly. You'd almost think that it's just your eyes playing tricks. Oh, is it going to disappear on me? Looks like it's getting lighter. Maybe it's going behind the clouds this time. Yeah, it's getting dimmer. I don't know if that's because it's going behind the clouds or... hard to see. I wish I could have recorded the original phenomenon, but that was before smartphones. No, it's coming back. The original phenomenon was much more interesting. Yeah, it's gotten brighter again. But what's so... oh, I remember what I was thinking of earlier. What's so strange about it is not only it's in the same direction as the original phenomenon, it's, I forgot it again. Must be getting what L.A. Marzulli calls brain fog. Oh yeah, this isn't normal air traffic. That was what I was thinking of. You know, this could possibly be a drone, for all I know, honestly. I'm sure most people's initial impression would be that, because it kind of bobs like a drone, trying to stay in one place, but being buffeted by the wind. Now that I think of it, that'd be a perfect explanation for it. But drone batteries only last about 10 minutes, and I don't know how long it's been up there already. Yeah, it's moving. Definitely moving. Definitely moving. But based on the previous footage, I already know it's well beyond. What does that say? Well beyond the tree line, at least enough to be obscured by it. But if it is a drone, what are they looking at? And why at night? The problem with sitting here and filming this is it's not really doing anything. And if it were a drone, they would eventually come down. I was wondering if it would shoot up, straight up, at faster than any human could tolerate, or something, crazy like that. So maybe it's just coincidence. I mean, coincidence that this is taking place in the same direction I first witnessed something really strange. And I guess in the interest of filming just a little bit longer, I'll give an explanation. It was in that direction. I was heading over to my neighbor's house who lived there at the time. And it was a bright, I'm going to say object, because, what else am I going to call it? But it didn't behave like a physical object. It was bright red. It was like maybe an octagon, hexagon. It had sides on it, like a hexagon, polygon shape. I could only authenticate 2 dimensions. I don't even know if it was 3-dimensional. But it had black lines radiating from the center. And it was behind the tree line, the same way this light was the other night. And as I watched, it just shrank and shrank until finally it disappeared completely. The whole thing lasted, I don't know, 20 seconds maybe? But, I mean, I just continued on to my neighbor's house. What else am I going to do? I didn't have there were no smartphones. This was like mid-90s, early 90s. My hand's getting tired. Maybe if I get a camera, like a night vision camera or something, stick it out here. Keep it pinned. That would be something. Watch it at 10 times speed. Go through 12 hours in 1.2 hours every day. No thanks. I'm not that interested. Yeah, I've got 11 minutes on my phone, and it's recording is just about 12 minutes. That's longer than batteries I used to have for my remote controlled helicopters about, I don't know, probably almost 10 years ago by now. Maybe they got them working hard. But another thing is that it's been in the air, I know, longer than that, because I didn't start recording until I got home. It's gotten lower in the sky though. Looks like it's starting to go behind the tree line now. Now, in case you heard that sound and you're wondering what in the world it was, that was not a human scream. That was some of the livestock at a neighbor down the road. I don't know what exactly it was, but he has like at least one donkey, goats, might have been a baby goat. So if you heard that scream, don't worry. It's just farm animals. Yeah, it's down to the tree line now. Any lower and it'll go behind it. And I don't know what that was. I assume it was an owl. Maybe he has laryngitis. Oh, it might have been my dog. Wondering who's over here filming. What are you doing over there? Or wondering why I'm over here. Yeah, there go the puppies. Okay, I'm at 14 minutes now, just about. Oh, there's 14 minutes. So this has been in the air longer than anything I've flown. And it's just boring. Yeah, there it goes behind the tree line. Now, assuming it's looking in this direction, I am absolutely certain it can see the light from my phone, because all the other ambient lights have gone out. The porch light with the auto motion detect and the porch light that we flip with switches, I turned that off immediately, and the motion detector just went off a few minutes ago, or a minute ago. Yeah, it's behind the tree line now. I can still see it through the trees. It's kind of strange that it faded out earlier a little bit. I don't know if a cloud passed between us or not. I can still see it through the trees. You can't see it on the video though. Oh yeah, you can. There it is. I really don't feel like pursuing it tonight until I see something more remarkable. My assumption is that it's a drone of some kind. Maybe a big one, presumably. And yeah, it's still there. I can see it if I move my head to the side. I can barely see it if I move my head to the side. So 16 minutes of recording plus however long it was in the air before then. It's got some pretty strong batteries. Any comments on what this might be would be appreciated. Drone is all I have. It hasn't done anything that's supernatural. Okay, that's it.